16th East Asia Summit Foreign Ministers meeting, and I wish to acknowledge the presence of remarks. May I kindly request media to leave. The EAS supports ASEAN community building through relevant efforts that are response together. It is critical that we continue the work as one. 20 years ago, our leaders believed that further enhancing cooperation, strengthening existing bonds of friendship among the countries, and keeping with the principles of equality, partnership, consultation, and consensus are keys to contributing to peace, security, and economic prosperity in the region and the world at large. Foreign ministers meeting as well. As we begin this meeting, from the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, the escalation of conflicts in many parts of the world, the tariff wars of last year, the crisis in the Middle East, and not to mention the increasing frequency and intensity of natural disasters, as well as opportunities and threats posed by emerging dual-use technologies, the past decade has been upending the prevailing global order in profound, turbulent, and often irrevocable ways. Not despite these challenges, but because of them. Forums such as the East Asia Summit that we get to discuss decisions that can ultimately steer us towards stability, certainty, and predictability. The prevailing global order in profound, turbulent, and often irrevocable ways. The EAS is supported by implementation with practical cooperation in diverse work streams such as peace and security, connectivity, economic cooperation and trade, sustainable development, climate, environment and energy, education, health, and maritime cooperation. The EAS has both the distinct privilege to be and the unique responsibility to remain as an open, inclusive, transparent, and outward-looking forum that is responsive of half of the world's population. Through our intentional, consultative, and pragmatic approach, with ASEAN as the driving force, we are able to ground ourselves amidst the upheaval, uncertainty, and unpredictability of our current world.